Hey everyone, and welcome back. Wondering why some marketing funnels succeed while others fail? The secret lies in measuring conversion rates and making data-driven changes. Stay tuned to unlock your funnel's potential. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Funnels section. Select the funnel you want to analyze. Once inside, click on the Stats tab. Here, you'll see a breakdown of key metrics like the number of visitors, leads generated, and conversion rates for each step of the funnel. Look closely at each step of the funnel to identify any drop-offs. For example, if you have a high number of visitors but a low conversion rate at the checkout step, that's a signal for potential improvement. You can make changes by clicking Edit on the funnel. Now, based on the data, you can implement changes. If your landing page has a low conversion rate, consider adjusting the copy, improving the call to action, or simplifying the form. Make sure to save your changes. After making your adjustments, monitor the new data. GoHighLevel updates metrics in real time so you can track whether the changes are improving your conversion rates. And there you have it. Looking to enhance your workflow and optimize lead management? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial, and don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for a seamless onboarding experience. You can find all the links in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.